Okay, hello there. So we're going to start with red and green. We're going to mix those together, then add a little white, and we're going to see a bunch of different colors we can get, starting with red and green, okay? I'm going to disappear. You'll see my hands work. So we'll take some green, put some green right over here, okay? Nice bright green. I'll clean my brush a bit. I'll put some red next to it. Okay, do you see how those colors really kind of pop? They really have a vibration, right? So we put these next to each other. Now, what if I mix them together? Look at that. Getting kind of a little more green in here. Almost a black color. See that? Can be a little hard to tell what the colors are until we add some white. I'm going to add a lot more green. Okay. So see, now we have this dark kind of a gray green color. I'm going to add more green to this one so it's even less dark. Getting a really interesting kind of a nature green in here. Now I'm going to take more red and mix that in and get something that's a lot of red here. Okay, so red and green, bright one next to each other, right? Like that. Whoops, let's see here. But when they mix, they get very gray. So that's pretty cool. Now, in order to really see this, add some more red under this one. Let's put some white into the mix and see what we've done. Start with our first. Look at that color we made. That's a nice purplish tan gray. It's ooh, I can see this color for flowers, for clouds, and a sunset. So that's a really nice color. We'll add some white to the second one we made. And look at the gray on that. That's a really nice gray we got going on there. Oh yeah, I love that. Look at this. Look at this awesome gray for clouds, right? For rocks, for all kinds of things that are gray. Now we'll add a little bit more white to the one that's really green. Do you see that? Look at that color. So isn't this a good color for like distant mountains, right? Like that. If you put a bright green on top of the, of the mountains like this, see how it looks like they go into the distance with some trees up front. So there's so much you can do by adding these grays together, by the complements to make grays and adding white. You can get so many different types of colors that you can use in your painting. Just a few examples right here.